Hey there, leather enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Lexol leather conditioner and leather cleaner kit. This trusted leather care brand has been around since 1933, so you know you're getting a quality product. This two-step regimen kit includes an 8 ounces bottle of all leather deep cleaner, an 8 ounces bottle of all leather deep conditioner, and 2 premium applicator sponges. The cleaner effectively lifts dirt and oils, while the conditioner nourishes and protects leather without leaving a greasy residue. Whether you need to clean and condition your car leather, furniture, shoes, bags, or accessories, this kit is an excellent choice. The easy-to-use cap makes dispensing a breeze, and the included sponges ensure a smooth and even application. So if you're looking to renew the appearance and prolong the suppleness of your leather items, look no further than the Lexol leather conditioner and leather cleaner kit. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing product. And hey, while you're at it, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more leather care tips and reviews. Happy shopping!